Well, the Chateau Bellevue is a vineyard, very old vineyard and fascinating vineyard, which is located in the middle of the first classified growth and just bought for 50% by my family, the Debois de la Forêt family, owner of Chateau Angelus, and we share the vineyard now with the family de Lavaux, and the vineyard is so nice and the situation is amazing because we are at the top of the hill of Saint-Emilion with a situation overlooking to the city, to the south of the Bordeaux appellation, the Entre-deux-Mers, to the west side of Saint-Emilion, but also we can see Fronsac, we can see Pomerol. And we have in this very old vineyard, because it's from the 16th century, we have a very nice house which is now renovated. It's from the 17th century, and we want to increase the potential of the vineyard, but also because it's a sort of ecosystem, biotope. We have 2.5 hectares of forest, which is a very luxurious part of the vineyard, situated on the top of the hill, with the Roman ruins, because we have Roman roots where the Roman people grow the vineyard in the old days, I think in the 2nd or 3rd century. This is a place which could be certainly a jewel of Saint-Emilion, and we will increase everything, the quality in the vineyard and in the cellar, of course. Well, here it's also a magic place of Chateau Bellevue, because we are in the center of the earth, underground cellar with the stone, the lime you can see, and it's very good in terms of aging, because we can control the temperature. It's a very nice place where we can do in a small vineyard really the work which is the best for us, because we can have a selection in the vineyard. We can have a very small selection. We can work as a gardener in a garden. We can do that in the cellar. We carry on with the target is the detail of everything, detail of selection from the vineyard, and then after we carry on with the vinification way. Small is beautiful. And that's really true for the wine and for the expression of the great terroir of Chateau Bellevue. What we are doing now, we are doing the vinification in barrels, which means a very small quantity to have the most gentle extraction as possible. The fermentation is just starting now, and we are doing the pumping over very gently. To have the extraction, of course, but to exprime the style of the soil of Bellevue and maybe the taste of the specificity of Bellevue. And we can do that during the fermentation way. Then when the fermentation will be over, we will have the maceration, and then after the maceration we will use the same barrel for the aging. It means for me that it's something which carry on very gently from the fermentation to the aging. No aggression of the oak. The oak is very important, but it's very important when it's very balanced, when everything is in harmony, oak and of course wine together. And I think it's certainly the best way to get this very good harmony in the wine and the expression of the great terroir of Chateau Bellevue.